E.
Hi everyone.
We are from S1C.
My class number is 13 and my name is Linda.
My class number is 17. My name is Kiki.
My class number is 19 and my name is Nikki.
Today we're going to interview some guys from other countries.
May you introduce yourself?
My name is Jennifer and I'm from the Philippines.
How long have you been in Taiwan?
It's been 2 years now.
Are there any cultural difference you find hard to accept when you first come to Taiwan?
Actually none, because I think it's all about respecting other countries' culture or their beliefs.
Please tell us what your favorite and least favorite food are in Taiwan.
Oh, my favorite foods are actually had pat and stinky tofu. But the least one, I must say, only the herbs. I really don't like when they put something on the herbs.
What's your favorite craft in Taiwan?
Favorite place is the Chime. I really like to go there.
What is the most memorable experience you have in Taiwan?
Oh, the most memorable. The first time I arrived here, maybe it's like when I arrive and then go out of the plane and then I smell the air. I don't know, but it's always memorable for me. It's like it's so different from the Philippines. So yeah.
Okay. Is anything that in Taiwan you want to introduce to the Philippines?
Yeah, the food and actually the people, because they are really kind and they are polite.
Okay. Is there anything you can do in Taiwan but you cannot do in the Philippines?
Wearing short clothes, because in the Philippines you can wear it, but there might be or some people will disrespect you because of what you're wearing. So.
What do you think the best part in Taiwan and the worst part?
I must say best part only because there's no bad thing happening to me here. But the best part is that you can leave Taiwan safe, and then the food and the discipline here is really good. And Taiwan is also clean. So.
Our last question is, would you love to live here in Taiwan?
Absolutely, because Taiwan is one of the safe countries that I have known. The quality of the food, of course, the benefits for the people, like the medical and school. So I really want to live here and raise my children here as well.
Our interview ends here.
Thank you for spending your time.